Where does power come from? Solar, wind, nuclear? If you're like me, you know that power comes from holes in the wall. And for 100 years or more, those holes have been pretty much the same shape. But more and more often, we find the things that we need to power no longer fit in those holes. And so the question arises, why can't we have holes that fit the things we want to power? Boom. Now you can. Say hello to Smartlet. It's like an outlet, but smarter. Smartlet attaches easily over top of your existing outlet, so you don't have to worry about lost or misplaced adapters. Unlike some other products, you don't need to rewire your home or even remove the faceplate. It just plugs in. Smartlet has double, high-speed 2.4 USB ports, so you can charge any device. It even has a handy place to rest your device while it charges. Smartlet even leaves an existing outlet free, in case you need to plug in something else. Smartlet connects to your phone via Wi-Fi, so you can remotely turn power on and off, as well as set timers. It even has a built-in nightlight. And can protect your devices from unexpected power surges. If you're fed up with clumsy adapters blocking up your holes and don't want to hire an electrician to rewire your house, join us and help bring the Smartlet to everyone. We've already completed the tooling and have finished our first prototypes, but in order to bring the Smartlet to the world, we need your support.